There is absolutely nothing like the internet. Today, you can turn on a camera, record a simple video, sometimes without teaching anything truly valuable, and still, someone is making money from it. And before you misunderstand me, this is not a criticism. This is not a controversial video, and it's definitely not an attack on creators. This video exists for one reason only: to show you that a type of content that became popular about 3 years ago also brought something very specific with it: faceless money. You've probably seen it already. Miracle videos, quick promises, eye-catching titles. Make money doing this. Do this for 30 days. Copy this and change your life. And if you're honest with yourself, you probably realized something important. It didn't work. So let me ask you to do a quick exercise. Think about every video you've watched about making money online. Now ask yourself, which one actually gave you real results? Probably none. And that doesn't mean you're incapable. It doesn't mean you're stupid. And it doesn't mean the internet doesn't work. It simply means something is wrong with the process. And that's exactly what this video is about. I'm not here to teach you how to make money online. I'm here to do something more important. I'm here to show you why you're not making money yet. At this point, some people think, I'm leaving this video. He's just going to criticize me. And no, I'm here to show you what not to do, because sometimes that's the key to unlocking everything. But then comes a fair question. How does this help me? How do you know what you're talking about? I could show you numbers, statistics, and logic. I've done that in many other videos. But today, I want to do something different. I want to tell you a real story that happened to me. It's short, simple, and powerful. One day, I was exhausted, hungry, and with a stomachache. I knew I needed to eat, but I also knew I couldn't eat just anything. So I went to a restaurant. There, I saw a dish that looked perfect. Great presentation, amazing smell. The problem? It had several ingredients that I knew would make me feel worse. So I called the chef and asked for some changes. He said okay and asked what I wanted. I started listing. I want cabbage, I want meat, I want rice. He stopped me and said, instead of telling me everything you want, why don't you tell me only what you don't want? That moment changed everything. The only thing I didn't want were the fries. That was it. The rest was perfect. And right there, I learned something I still carry today. Changing perspective changes everything. It's not about adding more, it's about removing what's hurting you. And before you think, so you only focus on the negative? No, I look at the same problem from different angles. And now, back to the main topic. This isn't about food, this is about faceless money, or what many people now call faceless content. From my experience as a programmer and someone who manages 6 faceless channels, I can tell you this clearly. Most people are very close to success, extremely close. But one small detail, almost invisible, is ruining everything. So instead of telling you what to do, I'll show you what works for me. You compare it to your process and decide for yourself. Here's the list. First, post every single day, no exceptions. At least 3 posts per day. Second, engaging content, not just posting, but holding attention. Third, tools that optimize time and process, like Story's Eye, which improves scripts and speeds up creation. Fourth, organization. No chaos, no random posting. Now, look at this list carefully. Maybe the problem isn't what you want to do. Maybe it's what you need to stop doing. Thank you for watching until the end. Leave your feedback in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.